your water, it's your water lines. Even when your source water is clean, your dental unit water lines can still harbor bacteria, and that's where proper maintenance matters. In this training, we'll walk through how to use Citrisil Maintenance Tablets and why they're an easy, effective way to help keep your water safe and compliant for every patient. Citrisil Maintenance Tablets are designed to both clean and maintain your dental unit water lines, all in one simple step. In fact, Citrisil Maintenance Tablets are the only tablets that have both shock and daily maintenance in one box. They're powered by silver ion technology with a higher concentration than many alternatives. That means they're non-oxidizing, gentle on your equipment, and safe for patients without compromising effectiveness. Citrisil Maintenance Tablets are also designed to maintain water quality at or below 10 colony-forming units of heterotrophic bacteria per milliliter. And unlike some treatments, there's no added taste, no odor, and no harsh chemicals. You may also notice Citrisil offers these tablets in blue, something unique to this system. That color isn't just for looks. It gives your team a visual cue that treatment is actively happening in the bottle. Clinical data also supports their effectiveness. Studies show that periodic shocking combined with daily antimicrobial treatment yielded the highest waterline testing pass rate out of all waterline maintenance protocols at 88%. So, how do you use a Citrisil maintenance tablet? First, put on appropriate PPE. Tablets should never be handled with bare hands. Next, drop one tablet directly into an empty bottle, either 0.7 liter or 1 liter, depending on your system. Then, fill the bottle with water and allow at least 60 seconds for the tablet to fully dissolve before attaching it back to the unit. Once connected, you're ready to begin patient care. Each time the bottle runs empty, repeat the same process. It's important not to top off the bottle. Always empty it completely, refill, and add a new tablet to maintain the correct treatment ratio. For larger bottles, simply scale accordingly, ensuring the correct number of tablets matches the bottle size. With consistent use, Citrisil helps simplify compliance, protect your equipment, and support safe, high-quality care without adding complexity to your workflow. Because when it comes to dental water, it's not just about what goes in, it's about what's happening inside your lines.